Hey guys, Shubham here, back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can install a pixel mod on your smartphone in Redmi Note 5 Pro. Or if you have any other device, you can still search that on the Google, so you will find it. The first thing you need to do is unlock the bootloader. This whole process takes a lot of time, so you can search the video on the YouTube to how to unlock bootloader. So first I'm gonna quickly give you guys a review of this ROM, and then I will show you guys how you can install on your smartphone. So as you can see, it's completely stock Android. As you can see, I just installed those apps. There are only 5 or 10 apps. If you go to the settings, as you can see, it is based on the Android 10. Also this ROM does support Gcam, so if you want to install Gcam on your smartphone, you can still do it. So yeah, as you can see, you can run the Gcam on your smartphone using this ROM. Although the MIUI doesn't support camera to API, which doesn't allow you to install run the Gcam. So if you want to run it, you have to install this ROM. Also you can run the PUBG on the highest settings. Let me show you guys, and it runs really smoothly. If you're running on the MIUI, it's gonna lag way too much even on the balance settings, but on this ROM it doesn't lag at all. So as you can see, I just run the PUBG. So if you go to the graphic, this ROM allows you to run the PUBG on the HD and high settings. So let me show you guys how this is running really smoothly. Right now I don't see any lags or buffering while playing. Even you can see the graphics looks really beautiful. Just to let you know, I'm not pro at this game at all. I'm gonna die in few seconds. Oh god, it's so loud. Okay, let me run and show you guys. The graphics looks really beautiful, not gonna lie, and it's around 30 to 40 FPS right now, and it's really smooth, I have to say that. I don't notice any lag. I'm sure you guys also didn't notice any lag as well. So yeah, if you want to run PUBG, you should install this ROM. Definitely I would recommend it. Okay, enough of the PUBG. Also in the camera you will get AI mode. Also in the video settings you can record up to 4K 30 FPS. As you can see, regular camera app doesn't allow you to record in the 4K 30 FPS. This is one of my favorite ROM. It's really simple. So anyways, let me show you guys how to install this ROM real quick. So first I put the zip file of the Pixel Experience on my pen drive. So let me boot this real quick. Turn it off. So after you turn off, press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. So as you can see, right now I am on the recovery mode. So first thing you need to do is wipe the following data. Okay, go to advanced wipe and wipe the internal Delphi cache data, system and the vendor. Do not wipe the internal storage if you have zip file in the internal storage. So yeah, press the wipe. and as you can see it's done. Now go to the home and connect this USB drive which you install the zip, which you copy the zip on. So as you can see, I just connect the USB drive. Now all I have to do is go to the storage, select the OTG, and so as you can see now it is installing the Pixel experience on my smartphone. It will take some time, so just wait for 5 minutes. So yeah, after install, first wipe the cache. Now go back, click on the mount and mount all of these files including system. Okay, now go to the wipe again and click on the format data. This will remove all of your internal data, so if you don't have backup, always back up your internal data to laptop or any other devices. Now click on yes. So yeah, after you do that, just reboot the system. Remove the pen drive. As you can see, I am at the loading screen. It's gonna take some time. Okay, you just have to complete this setup. So yeah, if you want to copy your data from the other smartphone, you can do that. Or I'm just gonna go on don't copy. Again, it's gonna take some time. So yeah, now you can sign in with your Google account. I'm just gonna skip it for a while. You have to set pattern. So yeah, as you can see, fingerprint works perfectly. You have to lift and touch again. So yeah, as you can see, that's how you can install. As you can see, the setup is completed. You can still copy your data if you want to. Now let me show you guys the latest version of this. Then here you go. So yeah, this is how you can install Pixel experience on your smartphone. I'll give you guys link in the description if you want to download this ROM. So yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.